Hi, I'm Dr. Seena Vargheese, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Christ College Autonomous, Irnyalakuda. I welcome you all back to the next lecture of the course on Vedic mathematics and its applications. In the previous lecture, we have seen the introduction for Vedic mathematics, and also we know that there are 16 formulas and 13 sub-formulas for doing the mathematical calculations in Vedic mathematics. Today, in this lecture, we will see how to perform multiplication using Nikhilam Sutra. Before moving on to performing the multiplication, we need the concept of base. The base for a number is the power of 10 nearest to that number. For example, the base for 9 is the power of 10 nearest to 9, that is 10. For 98, the base is 100 because it is the power of 10 which is nearest to the number 98. For the number 998, the power of 10 nearest to 998 is 10 cube, that is 1000. So we require this concept for doing the multiplication using Nikhilam Sutra. First, let us see an example of multiplying the number 9 by 7. The first step is to write the numbers one below the other in this way. Then you have to subtract the number 9 from the base 10. Here the base is 10. You have to subtract 10 minus 9. The answer is 1. You have to write 1 here. Then you have to put a minus sign here to indicate that 9 is a number less than the base 10. Similarly, we have to subtract 10 minus 7 and the answer is 3. Should be written here. Put a minus sign here to indicate that 7 is a number less than 10. The answer for this problem has two parts. We call that as left hand side and right hand side, which is divided by a vertical line. To get the left hand side portion, we have four methods. The first method is you add 9 and 7, that is 9 plus 7 gives you 16. Then you subtract the base from that. 16 minus 10 gives you 6. So in this position we have to write the number 6. This 6 can be obtained in another 3 more ways. The second method is you have to add 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 gives you 4. Then the base minus 4. This gives you 6. The same number as this one. Another method which is cross subtraction. 9 minus 3 also gives you 6. Fourth one is also a cross subtraction. 7 minus 1 gives you 6. So, any of these four methods can be used to get the left hand side portion of the answer. To get the right hand side portion, you can use the method. You multiply this 1 and 3. 1 into 3 gives you 3. The answer is 3. So, this is the method for multiplying the numbers 9 and 7. Now, let us see the second example. Let us try to multiply 7 by 6. As earlier, we write the number one below the other. Here also, the base is 10. This is the nearest power of 10 to the number 7. And 10 minus 7 is 3. We have to write 3 here. Since 7 is a number less than the base 10, we have to put a minus sign here. And 10 minus 6 is 4. Is written here. 6 is less than the base, so you put a negative sign here. Now the answer will have two parts. We divide it by using a vertical line. To get the LHS, as told earlier, we have four methods. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 13 minus 10 gives you 3. So the position number here is 3. This can also be obtained by using any of the other 3 methods. The other methods are 3 plus 4, 7. 10 minus 7 gives you 3, or using cross subtraction. 6 minus 3 gives you 3, 7 minus 4 gives you 3. Any method you can use to get the left hand side portion. Now to get the right hand side portion, 3 into 4 gives you 12. In this case, the answer contains 2 digits, but the base is 10, so we can have only one position, one digit on the right hand side position. So the method is, you write down the right hand side digit here and the left digit is written here. This one is to be added to this digit 3 to obtain the answer. So the answer will be 3 plus 1, 4 is the left hand side position, 2 is the right hand side position. This is a process of carry overing. Now let us move on to another example which contains 2 digits. Let us try to multiply 91 with 91. We are multiplying 91 with 91. Now here what is the base? Base is the power of 10 nearest to 91. The base here is 100. So 100 minus 91 gives you 9. You have to write 9 here. Since 91 is less than the base, you have to put a negative sign here. Here also 9 and negative sign. The negative sign indicates that the numbers are lesser than the base. Now here also you can divide the answer into 2 parts, left hand side position and right hand side position. To obtain the left hand side position, you can use any of the 4 methods prescribed above. Now let us use the crosswise subtraction method. 91 minus 9 gives you 82. So 82 is to be written here. Now to get the right hand side position, you multiply 9 with 9, that gives you 81. So the answer here is 81. So the answer for this is 8281. We'll move on to the next example. We will multiply 88 by 88. Here the base, what is the base? Base is the power of 10 nearest to 88. Here also the base is 100. So you subtract 100 minus 88, you will get it as 12. So you put a negative sign here for indicating that 88 is a number less than 100. Here also 12. Now divide it vertically to get the left hand side portion and right hand side portion. Now to get the left hand side portion, we can write 88 minus 12, 76. Cross subtraction method is used here. You can use any method. So 76 can be written here. Now to get the right hand side portion, you multiply 12 by 12. The answer is 144. But here the base is 100. So we can have only 2 digits on the right hand side position. So we write 44 here and 1 here. This 1 should be added to this 6 to get the answer. So the answer will be 7, 7, 4, 4. This 1 is added to this 6. Now let us have another example. Let us multiply 99 by 97. Here also we can see that the base is 100 because it is the power of 10 which is nearest to 99. 100 minus 99 gives you 1. It should be written here. 99 is lesser than 100, so indicated by a negative sign. 100 minus 97 gives you 3, indicated by a negative number. Now to get the RHS and LHS. To obtain the LHS, we can use the cross multiplication method. that is 97 minus 1 gives you 96. So you can write 96 here. Now to get the right hand side position, we can multiply 1 and 3. 1 into 3 gives you 3. But there is only one digit in this 3, but the base is 100. We can have 2 digits here. So there is one vacancy. So the remedy is to fill up the vacancy by putting 0. So the answer will be 9603. Next we will have an example of a 3-digit number. Consider the multiplication of 988 by 988. In this case, the base is 1000. So the deficiency here is 12. Since 988 is less than 1000, we indicate by minus sign. Here also minus 12. Now the portion is divided into 2. To obtain the left hand side, we can use the cross subtraction method. So we have to find 988 minus 12, which will give you 976. That is to be written here. To get the right hand side portion, we have to perform 12 into 12, that is 144. So that should be written here. So the answer is this. We'll consider one more example of the 3-digit case. Let us multiply 888 by 998. Here also the base is 1000, and so the deficiency will be 112 in the first case, and it will be 2 in the second case. Now we divide again the portion into a left hand side portion and right hand side portion. To obtain the LHS, let us use the cross subtraction method. 998 minus 112. So we will obtain it as 886, which has to be written here. Now to obtain the RHS portion, we just multiply 112 by 2, which gives you 224, which can be written here. So the answer is this. So far we were dealing with the multiplication using Nikhilam Sutra. In the next lecture, we will see more general cases. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.